This interactive songwriting session looks at techniques used for writing a vocal melody. Please pause or skip as you feel necessary. The two key elements that make up a melody are pitch, that's how high or low the tone is, and rhythm, that's the pattern of sounds of different lengths. In other words, the melody is the progression of pitches in rhythm and is often the most memorable part of a song. It can be useful to think of a song's melody as a series of melodic phrases, which are the musical sentences that make up the melody. In vocal music, the phrase is often directly related to the natural areas we breathe. If we take the song Happy Ending by Mika as an example, the intro is split into 4 melodic phrases with a breath in between each. Is this the way you left me? I'm not pretending. No hope, no love, no glory, no happy ending. That melody moved up and down in pitch. There are 2 key types of melodic motion to be aware of. Conjunct motion, which is stepwise movement from one note to the next, da-da, and disjunct motion, which proceeds by a leap, like this, da-da-da-da. You can give your melody character by using different melodic motion, steps and leaps. As an example, Mika's song, Any Other World, alternates between steps and leaps. It starts with a leap, da-da, then it goes through steps, da-da-da-da, then leaps again, da-da-da-da, and then it finishes with steps, da-da. Listen to how the melodic motion of the melody adds character to the lyrics. In any other world, you can tell the difference and let it all unfold into broken remnants. Now, it's important to point out that writing a melody for a voice is very different to writing a melody for an instrument. Much of the melody writing for an instrument is difficult to sing, and it's therefore important to sing through your melody and feel how it works for your voice. Make sure the melody is not too disjunct. Give the singer time to breathe between the phrases, and think about the vocal range. That's how high or low the melody goes. A female voice will be able to go much higher than a male voice, of course. The average pop female singer can sing from the E below middle C to the F an octave above middle C. That's the E below middle C to the F an octave above. However, a more comfortable range would be the G below middle C to the C an octave above middle C. That's the G below to the C an octave above. In the same way, the average pop male singer can sing the A an octave below middle C to the F above. That's the A an octave below to the F above. You can of course write a melody that works for your voice and transpose this for different singers. Another thing to consider when writing a vocal melody is symmetry and asymmetry. Specifically, consider the number of phrases, the length of the phrases, the rhythm and the order that you put them in. An even number of musical phrases, all of the same length, will produce a balanced section of music, whereas an odd number of phrases, all of different lengths, will produce an unbalanced section of music. I'll show you what I mean. If we take the song Too Much Love Will Kill You by Queen, the chorus is made up of an even number of musical phrases, all of the same length, and this produces a balanced section of music. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Torn between the lover and the love you leave behind. On the other hand, their song These Are the Days of Our Lives is made up of an uneven number of phrases, all of different lengths, and this produces an unbalanced section. It's really interesting though, because it makes you focus on certain lines. I'll show you what I mean. Those were the days of our lives. The bad things in life were so few. A longer phrase now. Those days are all gone now, but one thing's still true. Then shorter phrases. When I look and I find I still love you. think about the story your lyrics are trying to tell, and how you can convey this through music. I often try and speak through my lyrics first to find their natural rhythm and their shape, and I develop this into a series of melodic phrases with conjunct and disjunct motion, whilst being aware of giving the singer time to breathe and catering for their vocal range. I hope you enjoyed this video. These ideas can help you take control of writing vocal melodies by adding technique to your creative process. As always, remember, there is no right or wrong way. Create something that is individual to you.